Here's a quick tip on something to check if your blinker isn't working before you go out and replace the bulb, or maybe if you've already replaced the bulb and it's still not working. See if this is your problem. This is the after work garage. You can see when I hit the blinker here, we're getting the quick blink showing that a light's out. Front one's working, but the back one is not. And this happens to be a scooter, but this applies to cars as well if you're getting a turn signal fault. So let's go ahead and undo these screws and I'll show you what I'm getting at. Alright, with the cover off, we can see the bulb. Let's go ahead and we can see that now if I just touch the bulb lightly, it starts blinking. So that tells me the bulb works, but we have a bad connection there. Let's pull this out. Carefully set this down. And you can see in there, there's just a connection. It's right here, it's this copper connection. So it's like a spring and there's nothing behind this providing any sort of spring pressure. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lift it with a screwdriver, bend it forward, and this should solve our problems here. This one's on the side, you don't want these touching obviously. So here's one connector, here's the other connector. This may look different in a car, but there's always gonna be a contact on the back and a contact on the side. Side is sometimes a screw-in socket, like a house light bulb. But just bend that back contact forward. Sometimes you have to stick something behind it. I've used like a little piece of a business card in the past. Seemed to work. Okay, push this in, turn it. See if we're locked. Are we locked in there? Yeah. Now when we hit the blinker, it is working. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the After Work Garage.